Today I'm proud to present the latest innovation of LAPP. ETHERLINE GUARD is a stationary cable condition monitoring device. The idea is based on sensor data that allows conclusion about the condition of the data cable. Ethernet cables are often used in dynamic applications. This results in a higher risk of failure. They are very often exposed to fast or permanent movements and high mechanical stress. One advantage is that the device can be used for monitoring of data cables that have been already installed. So it does not require a new data cable or any changes in network design. ETHERLINE GUARD is a space-saving device that can be easily used in any control cabinet. Simply plug in the data cables one after the other and then connect the device to the power supply. By pressing the set button for several seconds, we start the teaching process of the device. The automated and self-learning parameterization is carried out in a matter of minutes. For more detailed configuration and information about the cable status, you can also access the web interface. If the LED is flashing or is permanently red, it is necessary to check or replace the cable. Finally, with the innovation of ETHERLINE GUARD, we see several possibilities to simplify your everyday work.